sedentary inactivity is terrible.
Oh, are you okay?
Oh!
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Carl.
Pumpkin!
Pull the lever.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
Принесла.
Oh!
Sarcasm!
Sharpening your murder mitts.
I can't even film it.
I think you got shot.
Why, mate? This is you lot getting off.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get you.
Ooh. Oh, now that's, look, it's a climbing wall.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can finish pouring
No,
this out.
Mochi's in there.
No one's in there.
Be nice to Mochi. She got traumatized.
She's just a packing peanut, Micah. It's fine.
Oh,
I'm fixing the arena, guys. Oh, shit! I'm trying to chasing you out. No, never. I do what I want. Well, this is a riveting video. Lift up the pie, shall Micah? It's a pot pie of Ooh, 5. 5 ferrets in a pie. Oh,
it's a ghost.
wow! Everything's falling from the skies.
Ducky.
Come in. I scoop of apples. And scoop of apples.
I don't know why I just no, I don't know. I don't know. Sir, I'm just explaining about the towel. I don't know what I don't know what's the secret of all dogs. I don't know what's the secret of all dogs curling. They always curl their towel while walking outside. As you can see, he's still moving right now, and he's in the play mood. His anger is only acting, not a real anger. As you can see his face. As you can see, coochie coo. Sir, can you tell me, sir, why all dogs shall always be curled like this? Sir, it's a secret question. It's a very secret question, sir. That why all dogs tail curl like this?